Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Khazana. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to crochet these beautiful earrings. For these earrings, I am using pearl cotton yarn, studs and stopper, half cut beads, fabric glue. For these earrings, I am using 1 mm crochet hook. Let's begin the video. First, make a magic circle. Then make a chain. In the center, make 8 single crochets. Insert the hook in the center. Grab the yarn and pull up. We have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Insert the hook in the center. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, pull through both loops. 2 single crochets. Continue to make 6 more single crochets in the center. I have done 8 single crochets. Then pull the short yarn to tighten the magic circle loop. Make a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Insert the hook in the first single crochet. Grab the yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. To start next row, make a chain of 3. In this row, we are going to make puff stitches into each stitch all the way across. So yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch, pull up the yarn, yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch, pull up the yarn. Like that we have to do 5 times. 3, 4, and 5. Total we have 9 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 8 loops. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Then make a chain of 3 and make a slip stitch in the same stitch. Insert the hook in the same stitch. Grab the yarn and pull through both loops on the hook. Make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Then chain 3. Make a puff stitch in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch. Pull up the yarn. Yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch. Pull up the yarn. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yarn over, pull through all 8 loops. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Then chain 3 and make a slip stitch in the same stitch. Make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 3 and make a puff stitch in the same stitch. Yarn over, pull through 8 loops and yarn over, pull through both loops. Then make a chain of 3 and make a slip stitch in the same stitch. Continue like this all the way across. Then make a chain and cut the yarn. Take a yarn and make a magic circle. make a chain. In the center, make 8 single crochets. Pull the short yarn and make a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Make a chain and cut the yarn. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.